Hello, my friends. I am Peymon Mutahede, the president of Freedom Law School, which I created in 1996. In this short presentation, I will share with you why the famous Chicago gangster Al Capone went to prison for federal tax charges in 1931. Well, folks, Forbes had an article about Al Capone that he was convicted in 1931 after boasting they can't collect legal taxes from illegal money. And you see Al Capone right here with his lawyers in a court in 1931, and that Al Capone was sentenced to 11 years in prison for failing to file tax returns. Well, guess what? Al Capone was an ignorant man. Yep, he was really ignorant. He did a lot of stuff wrong. He got convicted. This is the conviction sheet of the jury of counts 1, 5, 9, 13, and 18 for those 11 years of prison. Why was Al Capone ignorant? Because he did not know the law. Yes, here is the federal tax laws, Internal Revenue Code, the whole thing, with all the gobbledygook, tissue-thin paper, tiny font that you see. He and his lawyers did not know this book that has a very limited application. It only applies primarily to Washington, D.C., to the District of Columbia. Yes. You see, here it is. I'm going to show you the law right now, folks, okay, from the official website of the government, uscode.house.gov. Title 26, Internal Revenue Code, Chapter 79 on definitions. Yep. And it tells us in Section 7701 that when used in this Title 26, the Internal Revenue Code, look at the definitions they got of specific things like United States, where the federal tax laws primarily apply. That United States, when used in a geographical sense, that is a sense that we all want to know what landmass it covers, right? Only the states and the District of Columbia. Well, how about the term state? Well, the term state shall be construed to include also the District of Columbia. So you have the District of Columbia plus the District of Columbia again adds up to that. United States means only the District of Columbia. That's where the federal income tax laws apply to, folks. You didn't know that. Yes, folks, I didn't quite understand, know this a few years ago. Because laws were not available on the internet so easily for us to find. In a gobbledygook of books like this, like those behind me, it was very hard to go find laws to read and understand. Now, bam, bam, bam. Because laws are available on the internet, you can find the answers real quick and easy. Yes, the income tax does not apply to you, okay? What you want to do is to go to Freedom Law School's website at livefreenow.org. And you can stop voluntarily supporting the Washington, D.C. swamp. Those criminals in the FBI, CIA, NSA, IRS, Department of Injustice lawyers, they're far more dangerous to you, your liberty, your property, and your life than a common criminal or Al Capone. They're far more dangerous to you. Okay? So why are you supporting them? You don't have to. And I'll show you that at livefreenow.org you can take these 7 steps to live free now of Irish deception, robbery, and slavery. Okay? Step 1 I'm going to tell you about is the most important. Start with this, that you need to understand the law based on U.S. government's official legal websites. No law requires 99% of Americans to file income tax. Yes, the 10-minute video here does that and starts your journey to freedom. So start with this video at livefreenow.org and share this with your friend, folks. Help them be free. The more detailed video is in the description of this video below. Watch that next. After this video, and start living free now.